Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum neighbors. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will show you beautiful crochet table runners ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So let's start today videos. So friends, today we will make a beautiful crochet table runner. It is simple, elegant and perfect for your table decoration. First, take your yarn and crochet hook. Choose soft yarn in your favorite color. Light color look very nice for table runners. Now start with the foundation chain. Make a long chain. The length depends on your table size. Now we will make the first row. Insert the hook in the chain yarn over the pull thread. Make simple stitch across the row. Good job. Now turn your work. Start the second row. You can also double crochet stitch. They are easy and look very nice. Repeat the same stitch in every row, so slowly, and keep your stitch even. If you want a design, you can add patterns like shell stitch, V stitch, or simple gaps. This will make your runner look more beautiful. Keep walking row by row. Check the length again and again. When you reach the desired size, stop and cut the yarn. Tie a small knot and join it. Now let's make a border. Go around the edges with simple stitches and reverse. You can also add a lace border for a fancy look, and done. Reverse. So friends, your crochet table runner is ready to place it on your dining table or centerpiece. I will make your home look stylish and cozy. So viewers, I hope you like my video. So friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. So Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Viewers.